Welcome guys. If you want to get this iOS launcher on your Doogee S90, right now I'm gonna show you how to get it. So for the first we have to hold this application and just delete it. And right now we are back with our default launcher from the Doogee. Let's delete also this application. Okay, we have to go for the settings to do this. So let's click on the apps, and right now we have to find this control center. Is right here. Click on the uninstall, and right now we can go back. Let's select home launcher, and let's go for the Play Store. Click on the search, and right now we have to get the iOS launcher. So type here iOS launcher and get this application from the Looted developer. Click, tap on the install. Right now we can open. Click allow 3 times and tap on the control center. You have to turn off this ad in the right upper corner. Click on the download, click install. Open it also. Use the switcher and just go back. Slide 2 times. Turn off ad in the left upper corner, and right now we can try to turn it on. So let's go for the settings. Click on the apps and notifications. Click on the advanced. Tap on the default apps. And click on the home application. Select our iOS launcher. And right now just go back. And go again for the iOS launcher. Okay, and right now we can just use the home button, and we get the notifications, and right now our launcher has changed, as you can see. And when you want to open the control center, just slide from the right side of your smartphone, click on the OK, use the switcher, go back, and right now we got the control center from the iPhone and also the launcher. So it looks really cool. I hope that'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe our channel. See ya!